Job of the day. Shackles broke on. I wonder why. So, let's tear it down. Hanger broke on the rear. Shackle links are blown out. We'll see if that rocker's still good. There was a store that had a bunch of equalizers, but they didn't have this triangle equalizer. It's all blown out on the top. So I'm gonna run to my parts store in the morning. We back. Time to cut this hanger off. I was able to find equalizers. It was kind of a pain. My wholesaler decided to do inventory Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and didn't really tell anyone. So all the trailer shops in the area are kind of like, I need parts. But I found some. So let's get this hanger cut off, re-welded on, and all the shackles and stuff fixed up. I got the rear hanger off. I'm gonna put a new bushing in this side. These bushings are pretty, oh, actually they're okay, surprisingly. So those bushings are okay. I have a new equalizers, and we'll show new shackle links and bolts on there. Equalizers going on. All right, equalizers on the passenger side are on. I got a new bushing in the rear spring. What I like to do, grab a hanger, and these hangers are equal. So I just measure the front hanger, go outside to inside, 29.5. And then since I put a bolt all the way through, it'll be super easy to line up everything. Just have to match the width on it and match the outside inside measurement. Good, hanger's on. So it's got to go an 8 this way, which is no problem. 29.5. Roughly the same outside. Looks like they go about 5/8. About 5/8. Cool. Let's weld it out. I got inside, outside, sides welded up. This was 2 passes. I did 2 passes on the back as well. I'm just gonna put this bracing here so it'll brace this outside where it broke, right on the top. Man, I don't like that. I gotta shave all that off now. All right, everything's welded out, supported. I did a couple passes on this and then sanded it down. Did not like the way it looked, so sanded it down, made it look good. This hanger is all welded out. Everything's on there. I'm gonna paint it black and then start working on the driver's side. Got a couple of these studs that need to be chased, so I'm gonna chase them all. And they're all chased. Rear tire and wheel is on. Let's chase the front axle. And we got driver's side coming off. Yep. I don't know if I showed that enough, but blown out. New equalizer. Hanger's fine. All hangers look good. Shackle links, blown out, blown out, blown out. Yep, they done. New bushings are gonna be going in. New bushing, new bushing. Equalizer, shackle links, bushings, and nuts and bolts are on the driver's side. Chased all these threads. I'm gonna chase all these threads. And those are all chased. Torque and lug nuts. Passenger side done. Driver's side done. All tires and wheels are torqued. This trailer's done. I did all new equalizer, shackle links, bolts, nuts, and 1 new hanger on the passenger side. Driver's side's the same as this side with the equalizers and shackles and bolts. Everything's good. All lug nuts are torqued. This job's done and I'm on to the next.